If you're looking to make a PPI claim against Halifax, we're going to tell you all you need to know. Aside from explaining all the info you need in order to pursue your claim, we also explain exactly how to go about making your Halifax PPI claim. Of course, we'd love you to use us to help you with the process, but unless you have all the facts first, how can you decide the best way to proceed? Halifax is a well-known name in UK retail banking. Halifax was once the UK's largest building society, but demutualised and became a bank in 1997. In 2001, it merged with Bank of Scotland to create Halifax Bank of Scotland, or HBOS, and the Halifax name was used for HBOS branches in England and Wales. In 2009, HBOS was acquired by Lloyds TSB and became part of the Lloyds banking group, although the Halifax name still survives on the high streets of England and Wales. HBOS mortgages sold in Scotland can also be branded under the Halifax name. Halifax sold PPI on mortgages, personal loans and credit cards. Lloyds Banking Group has set aside a massive £5.3 billion to pay PPI compensation. This figure is for all institutions of the very large Lloyds Group. However, Halifax will undoubtedly account for a large share of this amount. Halifax continued selling PPI until 2010, later than for many of its competitors, so may be faced with a larger compensation bill. Did you have a loan or mortgage with Halifax? Like so many banks and other institutions, anecdotal evidence suggests much of Halifax PPI was sold to customers who were unaware they were buying it. So you may need to read your statements carefully or contact the bank to establish whether you have the insurance. Some Halifax customers were also led to believe either that PPI was compulsory or would improve their chances of being approved for the loan, neither of which is the case. Issues such as these have given rise to many successful PPI claims. Complaints about PPI sold by Halifax can be made by calling 08457 253 519 or by writing to Customer Relations, PO Box 548, Leeds, LS1 1WU. The Halifax website, www.halifax.co.uk, suggests all complainants will receive a decision on their complaint within 8 weeks. If the complaint is rejected or you are dissatisfied with the amount offered, you can refer the matter to the Financial Ombudsman Service, or FOS. Their website is www.financial-ombudsman.org.uk. The FOS resolves most complaints within a few months, but in exceptional cases can take over a year. The FOS does not produce separate data for complaints relating to PPI with Halifax. However, it ruled in favour of the customer in 90% of the HBOS PPI cases it closed in the 6 months to June 30th, 2012, and that's well above the industry average of 71%. Given HBOS does not uphold many complaints, please be patient and take the matter to the FOS if the bank rejects your claim. The FOS also received over 4,000 new PPI cases from Halifax or Bank of Scotland customers in this 6-month period. Now, you know all about Halifax PPI claims. Let us take all the stress and hassle out of your hands. Simply visit www.ppiclaimback.co.uk and we'll crack on and get your claim processed straight away.